What up, people? So I'm here in my crib in Egypt. I went to a vacation to Egypt. So here is my crib. Here we can see it outside. Okay. So I don't know if you can see because it's super dark. You can't see the place is amazing. It's really Egyptian style. So check out my Instagram. The link is below. Okay, in the description. Check out my Instagram. All the posts there from this vacation. So let's talk about this day topic. Okay, so the topic is ranking. Okay, I started talking about it on my Instagram. So basically, what it is, sorry if it is a bit dark, but I don't have very good lighting here. So basically, this is my room. So basically, ranking, it means so basically we all of us, we are drop shipping the same items with the same titles. Almost I'm sniping, so it is also the same titles. So how we can rank higher and how we can differentiate ourselves from other sellers, okay? And especially in the US ring, eBay.com, that this is the most competitive market right now. So basically, there are two ways to, maybe more, maybe even more. I will talk about the two that I know. So basically, a little trick that I'm doing when my VAs are working and listing. Okay, this is the main picture. Okay, in the past I thought that sniping the same image will give me better results, but I found that changing always from now on, my VAs are always changing the main image, because again, the same title, almost the same price, and a lot of competition. So I have to be a little bit different from others. So maybe if it is different picture, maybe someone will look at that picture. Okay, so this is the first one. Second of all, you can do similar item method. It means that you're, for example, you are like sniping a successful item of, let's say, a lamp, or like a vintage lamp or something like that. So you go and search something similar to that. Okay, not exactly the same item. Okay, that the your drop shipper is drop shipping. Okay, you want a similar item, so this way you can make more profit and also be more unique. Okay, this is the second method. And the third one, okay, because this is for me, it's the best one. So it is, drop your price. Okay, you want to drop your price as low as you can. Okay, even break even. You need to get the sales. Okay, everything, every social platform, every marketplace, eBay, Amazon, if it is Instagram, if it is YouTube, if it is Facebook, they rank posts. Facebook rank posts from the engagements, from the proof, the history, the proof of. In Facebook it is engagement, likes, comments, shares. Okay, this is engagements. And eBay, it is sales. Okay, sales and the least amount of returns. So you need to start making some history. Okay, so if you want to rank your items as high as possible on eBay, you must make sales. And how the fastest you can do it is to drop your price to the break even. Okay, you drop your price to break even, and then you wait that you get 5 or 10 sales. Okay, you will be not getting any profit, but your item will start rank much higher, and eBay will push you in the search results. And believe me, this will skyrocket your sales. And I've tried it, and it's tripled and quadrupled my sales. So it is working. Okay, so that's for this video. I will be sharing more in depth each method separately, And please guys, leave me in the comments below, what do you want me to talk about, what do you want me to invest my time to talk about more than what I usually speak. Because with you commenting below and saying the topics that you want me to talk about, it gives me more ideas for videos. That's it basically. Follow me on my Instagram. I post there much more, because it's much more convenient for me. It's just a 1 minute post. I just can take a quick video, share my quick tip, and also I'm posting always images, screenshots from my process, because it's super easy to and fast to go ahead and post there. So follow me on Instagram, okay? And I have closed Facebook group, okay, that you can join. Also the links are in the description. And again, if you are interested about dropshipping on eBay US, eBay.com, eBay UK, this is the channel that you need to be in, okay? Thank you for your time, thank you for watching the video, and I will see you in the next one.